this is the second. This is the second episode of the Diamond House, and today we will say the best story ever, horror best story. But before we will start, who are lower than 12 years old can see our horror videos, and who are above 12 years old can see our horror videos, and they are welcome to see our horror videos. Okay, let's start now. Okay, today we will say the story about the Diamond House, episode 2. Okay, now before we start, also don't forget to subscribe and like and share and press on the bell. Okay, let's begin the story. What is this? What is this? Who opened the lights? Who opened the light? Do you all remember what happened in episode 1? You know what happened? It happened when all of the lights closed, and then it opened, and then it closed, and then when it opened, it broke, and when it broke, it opened. But how the lights opened and the lights broke? Okay, and we will let some students of this who know the horror story and of the subscribers, we will let them to talk and say with us something. Okay, do you know Aysel, you're the subscribers of the channel of Solly Toys, yes?
Yes.
Okay, I wanted to tell you, do you know what happened?
I don't know.
You don't know what happened? Okay. You don't know. So she don't know what happened. And we will ask some other students. Okay? Do you know what happened?
I don't know.
See, he said I don't know. Okay. Okay, what is this? Who opened the lights? She said. And the lights was broke. How? She said in her mind, and she said, how? And she didn't know. And she was so scared. She was so scared.
Yes.
Yes, she was so scared. And when she was searching for her brother, she saw so many people like zombies. Oh my gosh. There is so many zombies. Okay. And then it went so fast, and then she saw her brother behind her. And Peter told her, "What are you looking for?" And then she told him, "Where were you? I searched for you everywhere." I wrote it wrong. Okay, for you everywhere. For you everywhere. Okay. He told her I was sleeping on the bed, and you were searching for me. How I was sleeping? How I was sleeping? Maybe. Oh, I forgot to write this also. I was sleeping. Maybe you are imagining again. Why you are not believing? Valandora is speaking. Why you are not believing me? I saw so many people like a zombie now, and when they was fighting, something fell on the floor and then broke, and they were so scared. And then Peter told her, "Let's sleep. There is nothing to be scared of." And then Valandora told him, "Why you are not believing me?" And then they fought again, and then she told Peter, "Okay, I will go and sleep, but if something happens again, you will believe me, okay?" She shouted. He told her, "Okay." And then they slept. And then when Valandora walked to drink water, she saw a big shadow. Oh my God. It's coming to her. And then she screamed. Ah! She screamed so loud. Ah! She screamed so loud like this. And she was so scared. And she said, "What is this shadow? What is this shadow? Why it is coming to me?" And then she was so scared. Oh my gosh, oh my God, oh my God. And she was so scared. We don't know what happened. after this, we will know at the episode 3. Okay, I forgot to tell you all that the end of the story. The end of the story. Okay. This story is edited by Aisan Muhammad Farag and written by Malak Muhammad Farag. Please subscribe and like and share, and please press on the bell. If you all like this story, please subscribe and like and share and press on the bell. Okay, we will see you in episode 3. Bye bye. Thank you all. Bye.